Good morning, welcome to day 20. It's Saturday. Everything I'm going to share with you I recorded yesterday. So since I last recorded, I didn't do an awful lot yesterday. I'm a bit of a, not man down, I'm not sick or ill, you know, bless her. Sam's ended up taking like a week out of Vlogmas because she was really ill, and it's good to see her back today. But my IBS is a bit iffy at the minute, so I didn't get anything done yesterday. I watched a lot of Emily in Paris, which was fine. So I am back in my sewing room this morning, and I have done some sewing. Well, I finished off the second of these bags. You know, I'd started at Sew Tomb, so I've got the pair of them. Actually, they're folding up really nice, so I think they'll just go in my like doorwell in the car. So when I get the supermarket, I can just pull those out. So they're going to go in the car today. And what am I going to do? Let me just move some things so I can show you. Hope you're all right. It feels like we've gone into the, you know, the big zone, the 20s zone for the days. So I am going to make the Sew Over It Normie dress, which I'll put a picture in. It's a long jersey dress which I've made before, and I'm making it in this ribbed jersey which I got from Rena's Fabrics Galore Facebook group. So I think that's just some scraps that I had left over. I think it is. I cut it out a few weeks ago, and after this I've only got one thing cut out and another thing cut out, which I'm hoping to get made to put out in a vlog next week sometime. In between that, it's just going to be little bits that I'm doing from now on, as long as I'm feeling all right. So we didn't get, well, I think I talked about something we were going to do. We want to go into town to look at Phoenix Window and go for a coffee and a little walk, but that, yeah, was out of the question yesterday. So I think we're going to aim to do that on Sunday, so I'll probably share that with you Sunday or Monday. So I'm going to make a start on sewing this shortly. It'll all be done on the overlocker. God, look at it, I'm like really dark around here. It's a no makeup day, it's a hair scrape back. Told you we'd have some of these days together. And yeah, I'm just going to see how far I get with this and not do too much. It's 1:45 now, so I think I'll maybe do an hour or so sewing, and then maybe have some scrambled eggs. And yeah, if I want to do a bit more, Carl's out with his friend Graham tonight. So hello Graham, I know you sometimes watch my vlogs. So I might do a bit like later this evening. I'm not in a rush, there's no pressure on anything I've got to make at all. So any timeline is absolutely fine. So let's do a little bit of Advent. Sorry if my energy level looks a little bit lower today, it probably is. But you know, I have to say, we have a name. We are now called Ralph. I mean, he's just so adorable. Paula named him. And let's do day 20 of mine. It's hard work, I can feel it. It's really sad when you're looking and there's like only a few left, isn't it? I know I said that the other day, each time I look in I'm like, but yeah, I've ordered, actually some came, so I've gone into the size 16 ready to wear barrel leg jeans. So I think I've probably gone from like a 20 to a 16 now. That's since, when did I start? So I kind of started in June, July was grand, and then July, August, September, we were away loads. Didn't really put on much, but didn't really do anything, and then kicked it back off. So it's been quite gradual. It's not like people keep saying, what, since October? I think it's nearly 2 stone, but I've got a pile of size 18 jeans and the Falconers that I made on the bed, because I'm thinking I'm gonna kind of just make some tote bags and stuff out of them for in the car. I might as well reuse the fabric. I just keep a watch out on the Sainsbury's website when the barrel legs, different colours and sizes keep getting reduced the same as before. So I've just got the pale blue denim in a 14 and a 12. 12's ideally where I'm aiming for, whatever width that is. And I could only get them in the long length, but I'll just chop them off. And then today I've just got the dark ones, which are the ones that I've been wearing the most, in a 14. So I've ordered, Cal doesn't know yet, but I've ordered a little pair of pyjamas which he can give me for Christmas, just to top it up for the free delivery. Like you do, it's just like fabric, isn't it? And I know that's ready to wear, but that's how I rock and roll, because I know they fit me. I don't want to pay like £45 for £3 meters of really nice denim, make some jeans that don't fit me in a few weeks' time. So this seems like the most sensible approach for me. So it is hardware. That was a long way for me to get to the hardware, but just look at this. Look at the colour. Oh, that is very nice. So we've got a slider, 2 of the clasps and 2 of the D-rings. So, and I'll have like a blue zipper in all of those zips that I got. So they, I don't know what bag, but they will go onto something soon. Let me just stitch the rubbish on those. I would love to know what every vlogger's floor looks like in December. If it's anything like mine, it'll be a right tip. Okay, day 20 in the So Virtual is this little bit of loveliness from Paula. I have no idea what this is yet. She's not given any secrets away. I just, she knows this, I've said it to her, but her and the So Virtual girls have just done a fabulous job. They just, yeah, the best. And lots of you have joined us, which is lovely. So we've got one more day on Monday. I'm doing Monday morning and Monday night, and then we're back to Tuesday, Wednesday for New Year, and the Saturday of that week as well. I have no idea what this is. I mean, I think Paula deserves a prize just for all the wrapping that she's done. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look. How nice is that? Oh, do you know what? That'll go onto one of my leather bags. I've never seen anything like that. I don't know if Paula's bought it or made it. I don't know. It just hinges on there like to hang down on the bag. How lovely is that? I thought it was a hair bow at first, but then I kind of figured this bit. It's not. What a great idea. That's absolutely lovely, Paula. Thank you. Love it. Spoiled, spoiled, spoiled. Okay, I'll open Prim. I'll do a bit of sewing, then I'll come back and then we'll do Beyond the Pink Door. So day 20. I do love the size of these boxes. How big do we think what's in here is going to be? I know size isn't everything. But it does make me laugh how big boxes are big. Oh yeah. Needles, good, because I've got that, not sure where it is over there, the needle container from Andrea to put your hand sewn needles in, so I will pop those in there. But it's like when you get something from Amazon, like the package isn't unreal compared to what's in it. Yeah, Prim needles, very handy. Can always do with some fresh ones. Okay, I'm gonna get some sewing done. I will be back with you in a little while. Let's see how much I've got done and I'll catch up with you later. Hi, so it's 2 o'clock. I've got some sun down my face. Can't shut it out, can I really? I'm gonna stop there. I think I'll be stopping there for the day because I feel like just a bit drained really. So I'm going to go and just chill downstairs, make some scrambled egg, have some lunch, but I'll tell you where I've got to, and hopefully on the next vlog I'll have it finished. I'm sure that I will. So the bodice is made. I've just got a clip on for the back. Just need to top stitch this around, and obviously sleeves and everything are in. What I've done, the sleeves are just one layer of the fabric, but the front and back I'd cut 2 just because it's not the thickest in the world, and I just wanted it to have a bit more sort of structure and thickness to the body. Sorry, my throat's really dry. And then for the skirt, I've gathered the tier and attached that. I've done all of this on the overlocker, and then I've just done some overlocking stitches. And so I just basically, what do I need to do now? Hem the sleeves up, stitch around the neck. I'll do that on my machine or the cover stitch, join it together, and then hem the bottom. I might do a rolled hem on the bottom, but I need to join it together and see how long it is before I do that. If I was confident with the length, I would do the rolled hem before I joined it up. Excuse me, but I don't feel that confident about it, so I'll join it together first and probably let it hang and see what it's like. I do want it to be really long. I'll wear it with my Doc Marten boots. So let me do day 20. Oh, I've just realised the door's open, sorry. Let me do day 20 or 21. What are we on? 21. Let me just check. Oh, beyond the pink door. 20. I can't open the wrong one. So, square box. Everything's been lovely. Oh, that's really sweet. And I love the sound this makes when things hit it. So, it's designed in Cornwall, which isn't too far from Andrea, which I think is Dorset. And it's a pins and needles trinket box, but it is shaped like a button. How lush is that? Let me get it out of the packaging. So it's got a lid on. You just drop your pins and things into there. That is absolutely gorgeous. Love that. What a lovely gift. Yeah, do you know when you're sewing, did you hear it? I'll do it near my mic. Hope you heard that. So yeah, that is lovely, and that will sit very nicely on my table. So yeah, I'm going to sign off. Sorry, my energy isn't just not as it would normally be today, so I apologise for that. But I hope you're all well and you're getting lots of lovely Christmas prep and bits of sewing done, whatever you're wanting to do. And I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be back to like 100% tomorrow. So I'll see you then.